Hi, it's Season's greetings. I'm going to show you what I have growing in my garden at the moment. Now, in the green stalk, I have some mint. This is my mint. I have several mint plants. I have some spinach. There I have a that looks like a rutabaga. I have more mint. And here I have some radish. This is a radish plant. I have more mint. That's spinach. There's a bell pepper, California wonder pepper. More of my mint plants. This is basil or basil, however you call it. Here is a lemon balm. More spinach. This is some lettuce. I have more spinach at the back here. This is pretty much all that I have on the green stalk at the moment. At the back, you'll see I have a couple of banana plants, and I also have a couple of pigeon peas plants as well. They have started to blossom, and one of the plants have won a few pods. Seems as if I'm gonna get a great harvest of peas from these two plants. Here you can see the peas that the plant have produced already. Here at the bottom of the papaya tree, I have some ginger and turmeric. These are the papayas. And beneath the papaya tree, I have some aloe vera. I have ginger, turmeric, and some sweet potato vine, and what we call wild thyme. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.